During a chemical reaction, the temperature in a beaker decreased every minute by the same number of degrees. The temperature was 16 degrees Celsius at 11:08 a.m. By 11:52 a.m., the temperature had dropped to negative 17 degrees Celsius. By how many degrees did it change each minute? Well, first of all, let's find the total drop in temperature, and we'll call that T. And to find that, we'll subtract the beginning temperature from the ending temperature. So we'd have negative 17 degrees Celsius minus 16 degrees Celsius. And I can write this as an addition if I want to. I can add the opposite of the number being subtracted. And this gives me a total temperature change of negative 33 degrees Celsius. The temperature drops 33 degrees. Now we need to find the number of degrees that it changes each minute, and we're told that the time frame is from 11:08 a.m. to 11:52 a.m., which is a period of 44 minutes. And then let's let D be the change each minute, so we can divide to find D. D is equal to negative 33 degrees divided by 44 minutes, which gives us negative 0.75 degrees Celsius per minute. So the temperature changed negative 0.75 degrees Celsius each minute.